Welcome to FreeCAD new session. In this session we will model pipe with flange in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. So here is a pipe and it has the two flange. So let's start. So here my part design workbench is activated. I will create a new file and I will create a new body and I will on my origin plane and I will switch to the isometric view. Now if we read our drawing, so here is a radius of a 260 and then here is a tangent line. So first we will create this profile and we will make our pipe. So for this I will select this exit plane and I will say sketch and I will off my origin plane. Now I will draw a 3-point arc and I will merge my arc points to my origin point. Now I will draw a two line of length 150 which will be tangent with my arc. So I will select line, draw horizontal and vertical line. Now I will make it tangent. So select arc and line and make it tangent. Now we will give dimensions. So arc is 260. So I will select arc and give radius dimension 260 and this tangent line 150 and then this line 150. Now we have made the base sweep path for our pipe. Now we will make the profile at this location. So I will come out of the sketch. Now I will on my origin plane. Now we will select this YZ plane and we will make a datum plane at the distance of 150. So you can see that datum plane has been inserted here. Now I will off my origin. I will select this datum plane and create sketch. Now here I will draw the two circle. Now I will select my origin point and give vertical constraint. Now the position is 260, so I will select this point and this point and give position 260. Now pipe inner diameter is 210, outer is 290, so I will select outer diameter. Inner diameter 210. I will move my dimension to the outside. So here we have adapted all the dimension of pipe profile. Now we will come out of the sketch. Now click on this sweep sweep feature. Now select the sketch 001, which is the profile, and say OK. And now here we will define the path to sweep along. So click on object, and so that I have given a path to my pipe profile, and preview you can see that pipe has been made. Now I will say OK. Now we will make these two flanges. So first we will make this one. So I will select this face and say sketch, and I will project the inner edge of the pipe, and I will create a rough rectangle, and then I will make it symmetric. Now I will give dimension, which is a 360 by 360. Now we will draw a circle and make it equal with the inner edge. So here is our sketch. Now we will use this pad command and give our thickness 50. Say OK. Now we will make the other flange, which is on this face. So select this face and say sketch, and we will do the same operation here as well. So first project the inner edge, then create a rough rectangle and make it symmetric. Now give the dimensions. (360 by 360). Now create a circle and make it equal, and come out of the sketch. Then I will click on this pad and give my pad of thickness 50 mm, and I will say OK. So this is how we have made the two flanges. Now we will give the fillet. So this is the 4R20. So R20 fillet on all the four corners. So first I will select this one, this, and this. So we will select all the edges and give the fillet in a single command. So press the control key and select all edges. And this is the 20. Say OK. Now we will make this 4 counterbore holes on the flange, on this flange and this flange. So first I will make on this flange. So I will select the face and say sketch, and I will draw the 4 circle. And now I will project the edge this edge and this edge. Now I will give the position for our hole. This is the 50 by 50, so I will select this point and this one. I will select this point and this one. I will give horizontal constraint of 50. Same way this one to this one is 50. And now I will select this one and this one, give horizontal relation. This one to this one, give vertical relation. Same way this one to this one will be vertical relation. Now we will move this one. So position I have not given, so I will give the position 260. Now the counterbore hole details is here. So through hole is a diameter 30. So I will select this circle and give my diameter dimension of 30, and I will select all the circles and make it equal. Now we will see this one, and this one is unconstrained, so I will define the pitch here 260 and give horizontal relation between these two. So here is our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will close it. Now we will use the hole feature. So click on the hole. So here our through diameter is a 30, so give 30, and depth give through all. So if you give the through all, then it will cut the pipe also. So click on here counterbore, and in counterbore give it up to the plate thickness, which is 50. So we see that this 30 drill will be true to the flange thickness. So here is the depth 50, and now the diameter, the maximum diameter is 60, so I will give diameter 60 here, and its depth is 10 mm, so I will give here the depth 10. So this is how we have made this counterbore hole, and click on OK. Now same way we will make this for counterbore. Same way we will make this counterbore hole on other flange. Select on the face and say sketch. Now we will draw the 4 circle. Now we will project all 4 edges. Now we will define one of the circles. So I will select this point and this point and give horizontal dimension, give 50. same way this point to this point 50. Now select the circle and I will give diameter constraint of our through drill 30, so it will be 30. So basically this circle is just for construction purpose, because we can control this dimension in while making the counterbore operations, as we have seen for our first flange which we have made. So now I will select all this circle and make it equal. Now I will select this center point and this center points and give horizontal constraint, and center to center distance is a 260. Now I will select this center point and this one and give vertical constraint, same with this one and this one, give vertical constraint. And now we will define the pitch between this center to this center, 260, and give horizontal relation with this circle and this circle. So now we will again repeat the counterbore operation for this flange. So select the sketch and click on the hole. So through dia is 30, so I will give here 30, and I will give the my flange thickness is 50, so I will give here 50. And now I will select here counterbore. In counterbore our maximum dia is a 60, which is outer, so 60, and its depth is a 10 mm. So it has been perfectly made. Now I will click on OK, and we will switch to the isometric view. Now here we can say that C10 means here is a chamfer of a 10 mm. So I will select this edge and this edge and click on the chamfer and give the 10 mm, say OK. So chamfer has been also adapted here. So we have covered all the dimensions related to our drawing, and this is how to make pipe with flange in FreeCAD. So this is all about these sessions, and in this session we have learned the sweep tool in FreeCAD. We have also learned how to make the counterbore holes. So this is all about these sessions. Thank you for watching.